Honey, wake up. It's 7 o'clock.
I'm sleepy. Just 5 more minutes.
No, you'll be late for work.
I know. I went to bed very late.
I made your coffee. It's on the table.
Really? You're amazing. Thank you.
Now get up. I'll make some toast.
Okay. I'm getting up.
Your shirt is ready. It's on the chair.
You're the best. I love you.
I love you too. Now hurry up. Here's your coffee. Be careful, it's hot.
Smells good. Thank you.
And here's some toast with cheese.
Perfect. I'm really hungry.
You slept so late last night.
Yes. I was working on my project.
You need to take care of yourself.
I know. I'll try to sleep earlier. Tonight.
Good. Now eat before it gets cold.
Okay. This is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Okay. I'm leaving now. I'll be home at 7.
Have a good day at work. Drive safely, okay?
Do you need me to buy anything?
No, we have everything we need. Take care, my love.
All right. See you later. I love you.
I love you too. Hi, Mom. How are you today?
Hello, dear. I'm fine, thank you.
I'm fine too. I just wanted to check on you.
I'm glad to hear that.
I'm going to the market soon. Do you need anything?
Yes, I need some fresh bread and milk.
Okay. I'll bring it for you.
Thank you. You're always so kind.
I'll visit you this weekend. I promise. Love you, Mom. Bye.
I'll be happy to see you. Take care, dear.
Hello? Good morning.
Good morning, madam. How can I help you?
I need some apples, please.
Sure. How many would you like?
4, please. And also some bananas.
No problem. Anything else?
Yes, a carton of milk and a loaf of brown bread.
All right. That's $6 in total.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hi. Welcome home. How was work today?
Hey. I'm home. It was a long day, but not too bad. Busy as always. But everything went well.
I'm glad to hear that. I went shopping today, bought apples, bananas, milk, and bread.
Nice. Sounds like you had a busy day too.
Yes, I also cleaned the house and called Mom.
Oh. How's she doing?
Her back pain is almost gone. She's feeling much better now.
That's great news.
Are you hungry? Dinner is almost ready.
I'm starving. It smells amazing already.
Thank you. Go wash your hands. Dinner will be ready in just a minute.
All right. I can't wait.
This chicken tastes really good. I tried a new recipe today and tastes really good.
I can tell. It has a nice flavor.
I wanted to make something special. You had a busy day.
Yes. But this dinner makes me feel better.
I'm glad. How was work?
It was okay. We started a new project.
That's good. Eat your salad before it gets warm.
Only if you take more chicken.
Okay. Deal.